Welcome to this video on Adobe Spark Video. In this video, I am going to cover how to create one from scratch, the editing tools, how it looks on the iPhone app, and how to share it. Starting now from the desktop home screen is we are starting one from scratch. You can skip all of the titling and that stuff. And when you first get started, you're going to get a few basic slides. You can add more, you can delete them. That little ellipses in the slide are the specific slide options. And in terms of adding media, there's a few options here, and also the layout options, how we want to arrange the media. There's a handful of themes, and each theme has a good amount of color options. We'll add some text here to see how that looks across themes. You could change the duration. You can add narration. It is important to note that when adding video, you need MP4 files. Those are the ones that are compatible. I don't think there are other ones that are. So we'll choose our video file that we're going to include. Now we can trim this and scrub it where we want it to be placed. And we could, change it a little bit. It's important to note if you don't have these MP4 files, or it's not an MP4, that Zamzar is a great conversion site, very dependable. Now, coming back, let's add another one. Let's play around and search some free stuff. It is important to note Adobe has a vast offering of free photos and icons. We'll add some text here to see what our caption slide looks like. Now, we got a pretty good looking project. What I would like to do now is add a new slide that we will edit on the phone app. Now, the iPhone app is a great app. It works really well, super intuitive and clean and easy to use. I think the best part, though, is that you have access to your own media. There's no need to convert anything, your own photos, your own videos, all the same tools, using them in similar ways. What I like about the phone app and the tool in general is that it is really simple to bounce back and forth on one project from mobile to desktop. I think that makes a big deal when you're moving around. So yikes, let's add something here for this guy and play around a little bit more. Let's finish this up. We're happy to have our video. We can download it, and it will download as an MP4 file, and that could be shared as a file type attached. Even simpler is that there's an option to have a share link, and that link can be shared across a multitude of platforms, social media, email, etc. For those teachers that like that aesthetic look, you can embed it. So that's it. Thank you very much for watching, and let me know if you do have any questions.